Hey guys, this video is mostly for my traditional learners who are normally in class each day. This is going to be a video to help you navigate on Wednesday when we have our first virtual learning day on Wednesday. I'm just going to show you how your child is going to access all of their assignments for me. So the first thing that they're going to do is they're going to go to lmsmorgank12.schoology.com and they're going to log in with their school email and their school password. Now when they get to their Schoology homepage, they're going to see all their courses. They're going to have to go into each course separately. Theirs will look a little bit different than mine because it will also have Miss Swafford's subjects, reading, language arts, and social studies as well. So they won't see exactly this. They'll see their own courses. So on Wednesdays, what they'll have to do is they'll have to check each course so they can pick whichever one they want to start with. I'm going to start with my math because it's my first one that shows up. I'm going to click on math. And I'm going to go down. You will not see this folder anymore. This is my view. I have hidden it from you. So you will only see August 17th through 21. They will click on August 17th through 21. Today is Wednesday, so they're going to click on the Wednesday assignment folder. And the only things that they have to do on Wednesday if they are traditional learners is the word problem of the day, multiplication daily practice, addition and subtraction daily practice. That is it. That is all that my in-school learners have to do on Wednesday. Right here. These three right here. The others are not going to be visible for traditional learners. They will only be visible for my remote learners. This one, and this one in math. When they're done with all three of those things, they will go in and they will go to another course. I'm going to go to science next. They will follow the same instructions. They will go to August 17th through 21. They will go to Wednesday assignments because today is Wednesday. And they will complete the energy workbook. If you read the directions, it says open up my document, read the pages and answer all of the questions at the bottom in the slide where the questions are listed. It will let you type inside the slide itself. There are 4 pages. When you are done, you will hit submit assignment. So make sure you do not leave your answer in the comments. Type your answer directly into the slide. When you open it up, you'll see my documents up here and open it up. This will be what you should see. Your child is going to read the workbook pages, and then when they get to page 2, they'll read, and then their answers will go right here where I'm typing. They can leave their answers. They'll go down to the next page. They'll read my next page. Then they'll go to the last page, type in their answers here. When they're done, they'll close out, go back to Schoology, and they'll hit submit assignment at the top. If you have any questions on our first all virtual Wednesday, please don't hesitate to let me know. I will be available to answer your questions throughout the entire day. I will be keeping my computer very close and my phone on me, so if you need to message me on School Status or Class Dojo with questions or issues that you're having, please do so and don't hesitate. Thank you.